I was just a forgotten piece of wood, abandoned, cracked, covered in dust, a remnant of something that once mattered. People passed me by. No one saw worth in me. I was too rough, too broken, too ordinary. But then, he found me. A craftsman with gentle hands and a quiet fire in his heart. He didn't see what I was. He saw what I could become. His touch was careful, almost reverent, as he brushed away years of neglect. He cleaned me, carved me, and sanded down every scar, not to erase them, but to honor them, because every crack told a story. Every knock was a memory. Then came the moment I'll never forget. He poured life into me. Liquid light, molten blue resin, like a river of dreams, flowed through my veins. It filled my hollow places, my emptiness, and suddenly, the spaces that once made me feel broken were now the most beautiful parts of me. Layer by layer, he shaped me. He wasn't just building a table. He was restoring dignity, giving purpose to what others threw away. As the hours passed, I changed, not just in form, but in spirit. My roughness became elegance. My flaws became features. My silence became a story. And when the final polish was done, I saw myself, not as I was, but as I had become. A centerpiece, a conversation, a quiet symbol of second chances. I am no longer forgotten. I am no longer broken. I am art. I am function. I am alive. Because someone believed in me.